company makes polyurethane machines, all kinds of different polyurethane machines. Today I'm going to introduce some machines to you. Okay. Firstly, I will introduce this small machine. 那个呢？你再给我一个手机，我可以播2个，反正都一样介绍。你要不，你能登总账号到我这个上面，到我这个。哎，那所以就是不播 Facebook，不播阿里。阿里他那边在播。就是我这个是。你这边是 YouTube， 他那边是阿里。所以就不播 Face 了，反正 Face 也没人看的，那就播这个啊。Hello everyone. Okay, first I will introduce this small machine. This small machine, we are now on promotion, only around $2,000 USD dollars. So it's very cheap and small. And this one is used for spraying polyurethane foam on roof and wall for insulation use. Now let's focus on this machine. You see, this is the switch for start and reset. This is for power on and off. These control panels is very easy to use. You see, this is a power light. If the power is on, the light will be on. And this is for the ISO button for heating. Press for ISO, press for heating hose, press for the polio. Then it will start to heat. You can set the temperature here. It shows the temperature you set here. It will shows. And like you set all temperature at 40 Celsius degree, it may show only 35 here. It's normal, don't worry about this. And after setting, you need to wait for 10 minutes, around 10 minutes or 30 minutes, because it depends on local temperature. Wait for the temperature to rise. After the temperature rise to the one you need it, then you can start to inject. The material onto the wall, roof. Can see this is the injection nozzle. You have to clean this nozzle inside very frequently, otherwise it will be blocked. We have the cleaning video on our YouTube, so you can search our YouTube and so cleaning this spray gun. It's very easy to operate, and this gun is it's not very so heavy. It's very easily to operate. Okay, this is our small spraying machine for polyurethane. Huge body. The high pressure forming machine. This high pressure forming machine is for making PU products like the pillows, the Visority, the memory foam pillows, for the mattress, for the seats like the car seats, seat cushions, for rest, also the headrest. And for more examples that are it's soft form products, but I can also make rigid form products like this. This is rigid product. We called it forkstone panels. It's not real stone, but it's PU stone. But looks like real stone. It's very beautiful. It has many colors. We can provide 7 colors, like gray, dark, dark gray, light gray, black, brown, orange, white, and the red. Many colors. So if you wanted to make this fork stone panels, fake stone, you can use this huge machine to make. Now I'd like to introduce this huge machine. It's called the PU, high pressure forming machine. You can see there's a button here to choose switch. This is switch for forward and backward. This means this machine, yes, this big machine, 2 tons, 2,000 kilograms, huge machine can move forward and backward. Why? Because we have a motor here. This motor has a rail, a guide rail here. This rail and wheels. You can see the wheel. And make our machine move. And yeah. Okay. So this is the motor moving this machine.
You can make this machine to make many products, include the panels.
Okay, this is our backward and the forward switch for machine moving. Also, this is the injection button. This is for single injection. This loop is for cycle. And this is for choosing the station, the injection stations. This injection station is related to our touch screen. This is a PLC system. So we have everything shown on the PLC. The PLC is usually a Siemens brand. You can see this PLC system. We all use very famous brands, mostly Chint from China and Schneider from Germany. Okay, this is the PLC. Actually, this PLC we can do remote control because when most of our customers are very far from our factory. So if you meet some problem during the manufacturing process, our engineer cannot arrive immediately, but we can do online service. We can do remote control in our office. You just tell us the problem. We will check the software problem and to see if it has problem. If the software does have problem, we will fix and send you the updated system. So you don't have to worry about this. And even though it has hardware problem, the touch screen will show everything here. You will know which part has problem. This is the mixing head part and the electronic and the screen part. Let's go back to the machine part, the back part. This is the chiller, industrial chiller. Why you need this industrial chiller? Because it's used for controlling the tank temperature outside of this tank. See, this is for insulation. This insulation foam is for protect this tank. Also for control the temperature inside of this tank. This layer, it will be added the water from the chiller. It will heat or cool down the machine temperature. Inside its material, we will move the material through this feeding pump. This is the feeding pump, feeding motor and pump from the material drum, then through this pipe into our machine tank. After material is fed into the tank, the motor will start to work. You can stir the material inside for 10 minutes or 30 minutes. This is motor for mixing, stir. There are two tanks because because polyurethane is combined by two material. One is polyol and another one, the other one is isocyanate. Okay, you can see this gauge is for measuring how many material is left, how many material left inside of this tank. Usually we recommend the customers to add material from 20% to 8%. So higher than 20%, you see here, this line is related to 20%. And highest 8%, this line is 8%. You should control materials in this range. You understand now? 8%, 20% among this. So the machine will work at a normal status. It will not do harm for the machine, for the tank. After feeding material into this material tank, then the material go to the mixing head. This is the first step from the tank. Then second step is go into this filter. This is a self-cleaning filter. It will filter the other materials and the residues. This will make sure that our machine can work very good and the material doesn't include any other materials. After going to this filter, then the material will go through the pipe into the metering pump. The metering pump is for calculating how many grams of material you need. For example, today you are going to make this forkstone panel. The working ratio of this panel is 100 and 100. So this panel is 200 grams. This means you need 100 gram isocyanate and 100 gram polio, the metering pump will calculate for both material, each is 100 grams. After calculating, the material will go through these pipes into our mixing head. Then you can press on this button to inject. During the working process, if you have any problem, then you can press on this emergency stop. So don't worry about this machine. We have protective procedure. But some customers will ask for making this fork stone panel by low pressure forming machine. What's the difference between low and high pressure forming machine? You can see this is our low pressure forming machine. It's very small and it's very easy type. The mixing head is quite different. You see this mixing head, it has a motor because this is the mixing head working status, working method is quite different. The material will mixed by this motor, not like this one. It's crushed. It's crushed inside the mixing chamber, so it's safe. The high pressure forming machine is safe, more safer than low pressure forming machine. Doesn't mean low pressure forming machine is not safe. It's also safe. And after injecting each time, low pressure forming machine needs to be cleaned. The head needs to be cleaned. You can see this pipe, this red pipe. This red pipe is for cleaning agent to go in and to go out. Here we can check the cleaning button. Firstly, after injecting the material, we needed to clean the mixing head by air flush. This button. Then after liquid flush firstly, then air flush. After liquid cleaning, the air flush, then it will be cleaned very well. So low pressure forming machine will waste some material compared to high pressure forming machine. This small tank. Standard is 20 liters. This is for putting the cleaning agent. Hello? Hello? Welcome. This low pressure forming machine has more buttons than the high pressure forming machine, you can see. So the design of high pressure forming machine is easier. These buttons for low pressure forming machine, this one is for power, this is for feeding material of polio. Polio we usually sells component A in China, but some customers in United States will say A is isocyanate, B is polio. So it depends. And this is the tank length. If the tank length is on, this means the machine is alarmed. It has some problem. Then you turn off the tank length. Then check what problem it happens. This is for testing use. After you choose this testing, you can test material here. Test the material here of the low pressure forming machine, the mixing head. Okay, we can check this tank now. This tank also has 3 layers. Outside layer is water for heating and cooling down the material. Also two tanks. So this is a two-component low pressure forming machine. This is the feeding pump, the gear pump for loading material from the drum into our machine tank. After loading the material, you should mix the material inside by a motor. The motor is not installed. We only install this motor because it's not easier for us to ship this machine. It's the height. It's over height. If you have any questions of low pressure forming machine and the high pressure forming machine, you can let me know. Now, the most popular project for making forkstone panels, this panel is the most popular project. So, if you are interested in making this forkstone panel, we would like to introduce you this project and teach you how to make this forkstone panel. 而且还断了，是你在线吗？所以在线的一直都是你啦。所以我跟你讲了半天啦。Hello， 你不要退吗？就2个人，2个不是你啊。Hello，I'm Queenie. Could you tell me what questions you have, then I can answer for you? I will to show you our products, our finished products. 我打完招呼他就下线了，我不讲设备他就下线了。而且谁给我点了个赞？好的吧，看来我太丑了，我一露脸他就下线。我一直对着设备吧。
你看这一根线是电源线对吧？这根线是电源线。
Sorry, I don't know.
然后这2根应该是
气管。
对，这2根应该是连在这上面的。
对。
这2个是连在
不是的。
这2个连不在这2个。
可能是的，因为这个应该有单独的管子的。
那这边还凸出来一个。
你不要纠结，我不知道。Hello， 他刚进来的。Hello， this is Queenie. Today we are introducing our polyurethane machines. So if you have questions, you can let me know. I would like to introduce our polyurethane machines for you. This is our high pressure forming machine. It's very huge. The length is around 3 meters long and 2.2 meters wide. The height is around 2.2 meters. So it can be loaded into a 20 feet container, the full container to ship. The most popular project this year is this forkstone panel. So now I'd like to introduce you this forkstone panel, how to make this forkstone panel. You can see this panel, it's white. Actually, we have many colors. It's made by PVC film for the color. It has 2 methods. One method is by PVC film. It's a kind of film with colors. There are 6 colors for normal colors. You don't have to paint. One the colors are white, gray, light gray, black, brown, yellow, and stone red. The red like stone. So 6 colors. But the stone with PVC film is usually used for indoor, not for outdoor, because it cannot be exposed into sunlight for a very long time. So if you wanted to use the forkstone panel for outdoor use, it's better you choose painting. Painting panels means these all colors are painted by paint. And for painting color, the usually maximum 3 colors for the forkstone panel. The first step is for putting the PVC film into mold, or the first step for making the panels with paint is you paint in advance into the mold. Then the second step is you inject material by our high pressure forming machine or low pressure forming machine. This is the second step. The third step is after injecting material, you close the mold. After 6 or 8 minutes, the forming process is completed. Then you get the forkstone panel from the mold. You will get a finished product like this. 3 or 4 years ago, the forkstone panel are solid on both sides, but to save material cost, in recent years, the forkstone panel designs are hollow at the back part. This can save a lot of material. You can see this is the back design. And if you wanted to know more information of this forkstone panel, how to make this panel, you can let me know. You can send us information or send us the questions. You can also add our WhatsApp. Okay, you can see. Please check our high pressure forming machine again. If you don't have questions, we will move to the next machine. We will introduce you the next machine. The elastomer casting machine is kind of low pressure forming machine, but this is for making elastomer casting products. This slider is for climbing. After climbing, you can see everything here. Open this. You can observe the situation inside. It's too dark, cannot see anything. But if you put in material inside, you can observe here. Okay, this is our tank. This machine is two-component elastomer casting machine and high temperature system for TDI and MOCA. TDI and MOCA is the most thin and most used material for making elastomers, like rollers, wheels. This is the oven for the elastomer casting machine. So this oven can be used for heating the tank. This one is good sealed with heavy metal door. This is a small tank, only 8 liters, and this one is this tank is big. This tank is around 200 liters. This is for material out. After you adding material, but you want to keep the machine for a long time, so this is for letting the material out. And this is the metering pump for calculating how many grams of material you will need. This is a filter. You can see there's some material here because we just tested the machine in the factory. So this is also heated by oven. Grace 你在吗 ？Facebook 啊，YouTube 啊，所以就是你了。我这边显示2个人。The difference between a pressure forming machine and elastomer casting machine is that the elastomer casting machine has vacuum pump. For making elastomer product, the most important thing is no bubbles inside the finished product. So the vacuum pump is very important. So there's a buffer and a vacuum pump. Yeah. For exhausting the air inside the also so now we move to the mixing head. This is the most important part of this machine. It's used for injecting material. Grace 连你都不在线了吗？零啊！哎，而且我发现那边阴森森的，一跑到这边，就这边一股阴风。能不能下次我们来的时候把这个弄下来？还忘。来，把它移到这边。Okay, these buttons are for controlling this system, and everything will show on our touch screen because it's there's PLC inside. Can see this is our PLC system. 秒进秒出，又是零了。每次都只有我们来这边吧？这边真的一股阴风一直跑过来。
那边贯通了整个2层，贯通了整个2层。
这边可以上去啊？
可以，但是他们把那边的门封起来了。原本是可以上去的，
挺好的。就是一股阴风在这边。
之前我们没有带钥匙的时候，就是从这边走的。
我估计下次会直一点，今天才弄下来。
已经脏了。
还好这边有空调，还好今天是我来的，我有手机。可是有了空调都还是很冷。
还好那边也还好，这边因为对着这个口，
一股阴风。Okay, you can see this is our touch screen. Sorry, this is our PLC. You can set some data here. This is for material temperature. This is for A. This is for B. And this is for the box. Box, it means the tank. 妹给我们点了个赞。好的吧，没给我点赞。And this is for the needle valve temperature. This is for the B needle temperature. This is for the box B oil temperature. These two are for the pipe temperature. For here is for control the temperature. We have labels of all the PLC. So if you have problem of the while connecting, you can check on our drawings. We provided a drawing to customers. Please check this. This is for internet. When you have problem in your country, our company will provide the online service because we can have remote control. So don't worry, through the remote control, we will find what's the problem of your machine, but you need to prepare cable, or you have to be equipped with the internet. Then we will not have problem of the remote control. This is a timer. Okay, this is a control panel. Outside panels, we all have labels to show the function, the power, the pouring, the cleaning, spare use, tank light. If the machine has problem, the light will on. This light will be on. You only need to close it and check on this touch screen. It will show what's the problem. If you cannot solve by yourself, you can call us. This is our after sales. 2个。 我对这空气讲了40分钟了。
没事，给我们攒素材。
嗯。Please also check these two buttons. This is for the machine injection. There are three options. There are two options, manual type and automatic type. We usually choose automatic type. Manual type is for the testing use. This is a PLC power. Okay. For pressure use, showing the pressure. Okay, this is Elastomer casting machine. Our elastomer casting machine is very easy to operate and use and with good quality. So, if you are interested, we are going to introduce more machines to you. You can leave message on our YouTube or send WhatsApp message to our account and the email system. We'd like to introduce you more machines. Now we go back to high pressure forming machine again. The biggest one in our factory. It's really very huge. Can be used for making many products. The most popular product is this fork stove panel. But you also can use this machine to make pillows, mattresses, car seats, headrest, and toilet seats, and bumpers, etc. So many. Most of the polyurethane products can be made by this high pressure forming machine. So leave a message, then we can explain more of the products, how to make this product. The high pressure forming machine is easier to operate than the low pressure forming machine. So if you want to make pure products, we will more recommend the high pressure forming machine. Not only this operation problem, but also it can save a lot of labor cost, also less maintenance problem.有一个应该是 Grace 吧，可是我讲不动，我要休息一下下。可是我不想喝冷水，所以就无所谓吧。Grace 是你吧？Hello, welcome to our live stream. Hello, today I'm introducing our high and low pressure forming machines. Both of them are polyurethane forming machines. So if you prefer making the polyurethane projects, you can leave a message to let us know. We'd like to introduce more information about our machines. So now I'd like to introduce you again to your guys about this high pressure forming machine, about the most popular project, the forkstone panels. This is our high pressure forming machine. This product is forkstone panel. This panel can be used for indoor or outdoor. After you install the panels on the wall, your house will be very beautiful. You can see there we also have two dark color. So we can provide totally 7 colors for this forkstone panel. The outside is PVC film. We have dark gray, light gray, black, white, stone red, the red color like stone, and the yellow color. Usually these colors for outside film color. But if you don't want to, you can also paint by yourself. The painted forkstone panel is better than PVC type because it can be exposed to the sun for a longer time. It's more suitable for outdoor use. If you make PVC film type stone, it's more suitable for indoor use. It's very easy to make this forkstone panel. First step is you put PVC film into the mold, then you inject the material by this high pressure forming machine or low pressure forming machine. The third step is after you finishing the injection, you close mold minutes or 8 minutes. Then you open the mold after 6 minutes. The finished product is like this. It's finished. You can see this texture. It's very beautiful. It's like real stone. This is the back part. The back part is like this. And this design is for saving material cost because if you use solid material, the stone panel will be very heavy and cost a lot of material cost. So then the new designs are hollow at the back part. This is our touch screen, and these 3 control panels. It's very easy because everything is controlled on this into this touch screen. It's controlled by PLC programming system. These are our electronics. We usually choose Siemens brand for touchscreen, but Schneider or other famous brands for electronics. Some customers will ask for Omron or Schneider or Siemens or some other brands. If you wanted to lower down your budget, you can choose all Chinese brands like Chint. The cost is cheaper, but also very good brands because they are top brands in China. On the machine, there's a tank lamp. If your machine has problem, the tank light will turn on. You should close the light and check you need to check. If you have problem, you can let us know. If you cannot solve this problem, you can also let us know. You send message to our after sales team. You see there's contact information here. You can call them to see what's the machine situation. 就你一个啊，我休息一下，我就对着机器休息一下，一个都没了。So if your machine has problem, you can let us know. We will ask our after sales team, ask our engineer to check the problem. We install the remote control system into this machine. You have to prepare the internet and the cable to make sure this machine is connected with the internet. Then we will remote control to see what's the problem of this machine. Once our engineer found the problem, we will update the software system if it's software system problem. But if it's hardware problem, we will also let you know and to see which part is damaged. This machine has 12 months warranty. So if it's our spare part quality problem, we will provide you free spare parts. If the machine is over 12 months warranty time, I think you should prepare the spare parts yourself. But don't worry. If the spare parts can be used for months, this means it doesn't have any problem. And usually customers who purchase our high pressure forming machine seldom meet the after sales problem, because our high pressure forming machine quality is really very good. We believe ourselves, because our after sales teams also wanted to have less problem.
Can we go home now?
So you can choose our pressure forming machine to continue your project or to start your project. If you have any new project, you can also let us know. We'd like to help you to start this project. 我满1个小时我就不播了，我实在讲不动了。Hello, hello. This is Queenie. I'm introducing our high pressure forming machine. So if you have problem of this machine, you can let us know. I'd like to introduce more information about our high pressure forming machine or low pressure forming machine. We also welcome the new products made by Polyurethane. We can develop the technology and the full solution for you. Our company is Yongjia Polyurethane, and our company provides full solution for making different polyurethane products. If you are new in this project, don't worry. We can help customer to establish the factory to help them develop the new products. Like this high pressure forming machine, it can be used for making different products like the memory foam pillows, the car seats, and these are softer products. They can also be used for making rigid products like the forklift panels, refrigerators, insulation panels, the water heaters, HAV, the can be used on continuous production line. This continuous production line, too many applications. Also the mats, the kitchen mats, etc. So if you have problems, please let me know. This is our machine tank. This is the filter. Here, this is the hydraulic station. High pressure forming machine is a little different from low pressure forming machine. It's working by hydraulic station. And our machine tank can be set at a temperature what you need. It's controlled by this chiller. The chiller can be used not only for cooling down the tank, the material temperature, but also for heating the temperature. Heating the temperature of the tank. Are you? Is that you? Hi. Hi, welcome to our live stream. Hi. Hi. This is Queenie. Please let me know what would you like to know about our machine, or what kind of polyurethane project you wanted to know. 你看我的色素跟你的色素，我的色素就是那个像素。我这个镜头坏掉了，我拔掉了我的毛。领个人了。刚刚我讲了一句中文，他就走了。
你好。
不 ，Hello， Grace， 为什么那个进来的人他不提醒呢？这个 ，Hello， this is Queenie. This is our high pressure forming machine and our low pressure forming machine. Our company engaged in polyurethane machines and the solutions for making different polyurethane products. So if you wanted to know about polyurethane projects for making the products, you can let me know. 我再坚持1分钟。
For 3 minutes. 3. The last 3 minutes.
我最后1分钟。
My leg is very hard. Nobody.
你播了多久了？可是你200个赞呢？
都是妹，不然哪里会就这么正正好好的赞？
为什么只点200个？可以点300个的呀。
Anyone please send me some one.
Thank you for watching our live stream today, and thank you for connecting us. You can visit our website and our YouTube. Also leave a message. Welcome to our live stream next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.